start off this vlog, my hot tub leaks water, and I think flex tape's gonna fix it. So we're gonna show you if flex tape will actually fix the leaky hot tub. So yeah, first things first, it looks like it leaks water more when there's more water in it. What was a little bit more visually easy to see the time I was filling it, I saw it leaking visually. So now that it's been sitting for 2 days, it's not so visually easy to see. So we go ahead and add some water to this. That way I know where the leak is. I'm just going to throw the flex tape right on top when I see the leak. I'm not even going to dry it out or anything. I'm just throwing it right on top. That's how the commercials show them doing it. That's how I'm going to do it. So let's go ahead and turn on. Just going to go ahead and turn on the water. Got my hose in there, so should just be able to send it and crank it on and then see where the leak is, and then just slap a little piece of flex tape right on top, and hopefully then it doesn't leak, or doesn't leak as fast, because it's leaking pretty bad, and filling up your hot tub every 4 days gets real annoying. So chemicals will get real expensive if you're adding water all the time. Before it was like every 2 weeks you have to top it off, which isn't that bad. And this is getting like every week you couldn't even sit in it low. So we'll go ahead and we'll add water, and then I'll try and show you guys the leak. Well, it'd be my luck, as soon as I try to make a video on doing this, I can't visually see my leak. There's like what looks like to be a wet spot back there. You can kind of see it in the top and the middle. It's a little darker. That could be, you can kind of see where there's like water stains down there. It's obviously nasty because there's like chemicals and stuff that drop from the pool, but you can kind of see it looks like there's a wet spot. So I might just go ahead and throw some flex tape on there anyways. I ain't seen a leak. I'll just keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a piece of flex tape on that wet spot right there, and yeah, just keep visually inspecting the water levels. Probably just hop in, and you can actually see visually standing water down there. It's gotta be about from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw a piece of flex tape up there. See if that's it. Yeah, watch the water level, maybe even hop in. So cut out a little bit of square. Good news, I just won my sports bet, plus 38 points on New Orleans versus Chicago Bears. So, be proud right there. I'm going to try and slap it on that wet spot back there. It looks like there's a puddle that'd be about underneath of it, and take a wild guess that's it. And yeah, I'm just gonna put down the camera and do this because I'm gonna have to reach in there. And yeah, cross your dicks, boys, this is gonna work. Got the first piece stuck on. It feels a little wet there. I'm gonna put another spot there, so that looks wet. And then a little further, I gotta probably reach in left-handed and just stick and pray. Next thing I'm gonna try is just getting like Expandifoam and see if I can get like a really long extension and just spray and pray. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep sticking some small pieces in different places and just keep checking water levels and see if that fixes it. So I threw a couple more pieces on. As you see, there's one there. There's like two back there. I think that far one's gonna be the winner if there is one. I just stuck a piece on the back of those pliers and smashed it up as best as I can. Just shooting an update real quick on the water level after we taped it up. And it's actually sticking right about where it was. So I don't know if I can really equate that to the tape or not, because, well, like we said, it kind of just stopped leaking. Like I couldn't see it. I could visually see it one day, so I went ahead and ordered the tape off Amazon, and then I came back and refilled it. It really didn't drain that much, but then I put tape on. Now it seems to not be leaking at all. Probably wait and keep doing little updates on this, and then combine it all into one video once I get maybe more results in like Tuesday, Wednesday. Give it a few days, see if I can see something. But yeah, so far so good. Coming back to video, we're still right above the level. Gonna just take a peek under. I don't see any new puddles. I'll turn the flash on. Huh. Maybe it helped. Maybe it stopped leaking on its own. That line was there all along. That little line of water. The tape did kind of peel off though, interestingly enough. So that's... I don't see any wet spots. It's holding water, so yeah, in my opinion, I'd say it's a success. I mean, it's holding water where it was. It wasn't doing that before. It was leaking very fast. It's either naturally fixed itself, which doesn't make sense how you can naturally fix a water leak, but it kind of was. But now it's holding pretty good, so I'm pretty stoked. So it's up to you to decide if this is a failure or a success. But either way, thanks for watching.